I'm Sabrina, and today we're going to make beaded pipe cleaner crowns. You can make your crown any size, but you'll probably be needing at least 3 pipe cleaners of this fluffy kind to make something like this crown, or this tinsel kind, which I used in this crown. The problem with the fluffy kind is some small seed beads don't always fit through. For the crowns I made today, I used 5 to 10 millimeter acrylic faceted beads and 5 millimeter pearls. The first thing you're going to do is make the base beads along the bottom of the crown. Take a full pipe cleaner and thread small beads along the whole length. For my crown, I'm alternating pearl and clear beads. The bottom band has 17 5mm pearls and 18 5mm clear gems. You'll be needing 35 altogether. To make the arches, you're going to cut your pipe cleaner into thirds. Each third will be approximately 4 inches long, but the exact measurement is not important. The pattern of beads for my arches is going to be clear, pearl, clear, clear, big clear, 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 pearl, clear. The crown I'm making is going to have 7 arches, but you can have as many arches as you'd like with any number of beads of any color and any arrangement. If some tinsel falls off your pipe cleaner, don't worry, it'll be just fine. Here's another crown that I made. As you can see, there are only 5 arches, and these arches are curved instead of pointed. On the arches, you're going to start by attaching them to the very beginning of the bottom band. You're going to put this flush with the first bead and then twist it once and leave the end out. Then you're going to count 5 beads and twist around the other side of the arch. Repeat until you have all 7 arches. Here I am doing the last arc. You might have to move the beads a little bit to make space to tie on the pipe cleaners. Wrap the 2 ends together and back. Now take your scissors and cut off the extra bits of pipe cleaner. I'm using a piece of folded over tape to get rid of the extra tinsel. Adjust the shape of your crown and tuck in any loose pipe cleaner ends so they don't catch in your doll's hair. And it's finished! And if your doll's not using her crown, you can use it too. Thanks for watching.